I've got this 3D printed steak from Redefined Meat that is meaty.
There's no way in hell I would ever eat that, especially when so much amazing vegan food already exists. Like these doubles I got right here. Oh, let me show you how to make them.
So I got a cup of warm water, half of a teaspoon of salt, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and a teaspoon of yeast. Putting that into a bread maker on the pizza dough setting and letting it do its thing for about 45 minutes. Into a pot, 2.5 cups of water, 1 can of chickpeas, 1.5 tablespoon of curry powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, as much garlic as your heart wants. It's a 7 minced cloves. Stir everything together and bring it to a boil, then let it simmer for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add a teaspoon of cumin and 2 tablespoons of shadow bini, then stir everything together and let it simmer until the chickpeas are soft. When the dough is ready, you're going to grease up a sheet pan and break it off into little pieces and roll them into dough balls and set them aside on the sheet pan. Then you're going to grease up the area that you're working in and press that dough out super thin. It's alright if it has holes. Throw it into some hot oil for about 5 to 7 seconds, flipping it in between, and then set it aside into a container. It should be very soft and light and also super bendy and flexible. Now to construct your doubles, you get some parchment paper with 2 of the bara, that's the bread mixture, with the chana, that's the chickpeas, with some condiments. I'm using some shadow bini chutney, some mango chutney, some tamarind chutney, and a slight helping of pepper sauce. And make sure to wash up before, because you don't eat this with a fork, you know.
Yo, what's good? YouTube exclusive bonus content right here. Some of y'all might remember me talking about doubles like maybe 3 years ago if y'all been with me for a minute. But yeah, let me just rehash the story right now. I was in Port of Spain, Trinidad. I was visiting my uncle, and one of his employees took me around to the doubles places, and we go to the cart. The guy says, "Hey, you want some doubles?" I was like, "Yo, what's that?" He orders me some, hands me the paper with the doubles in there. I take one bite and I'm just like, yo, what is this? This is amazing. Top 5 favorite food right here, right now. Not top 5 favorite street food, not top 5 favorite vegetarian or vegan food, top 5 favorite food, period. And man, I just threw that order back. He looked at me again. He's like, "You want another one?" I was like, "Yeah, let's go." And then I ate another order. He looked at me. I just whooped that down super quick. And he was like, "Hey, you want another one?" I was like, "Yeah." I swear I did that at least 3 times. I might have gone 4 or 5. I can't remember, but like I will never forget the taste. So I was glad that I was finally able to make some really tasty, yummy ones that you got a video for, so you can follow that little tutorial along and make some for yourself. I also got this comment on my Instagram video about making the doubles where they said, "Oh, it looks like it was made in a mop bucket." And yo, let me tell you, mop bucket food is some of the most delicious food that you will ever have in this world. It is some of the best food that you will ever have in this world. If you had multiple Michelin star chef Gordon Ramsay right in front of me with like in a state-of-the-art kitchen with every single possible kitchen appliance he could possibly want, with all of the bestest of the best ingredients in the world just right there at his disposal, he could make anything that he wanted for me. And then right next to him you put like some old dude that looked like he's lived a hard life, and he's got a street cart that's got like 2 burners on it, some old pots and pans, and like, I don't know, maybe 6 or 7 mop buckets full of like different random food items and sauces and stuff in them. Like, I'm going to Mop Bucket Man almost every single time. Like, yo, I want to see what Mop Bucket Man got over there. Mop Bucket Man probably got something. I mean, I probably would not go to Mop Bucket Man 10 times out of 10. Sometime around maybe the 4th or 5th try, I'd be like, yo, let me go see what Gordon Ramsay got. You know what I mean? I'll take a bite out of something. It's ridiculously good. Clothes get blown off like it's Shokugeki no Soma or something like that. And I'm just like, dang, this is crazy. Oh my God, this is so good. I can't believe it. Ooh, you know what this be good with though? Some of that sauce Mop Bucket Man had over there. Yo, for real. Mop bucket food, paint bucket food, whatever you want to call it, street food, man. It don't gotta look good. It don't gotta look like the Instagram photo. It's gotta taste good. I think we got, you know, to a point in society where everybody's so used to making a really tasty looking Instagram photo of some food that they eating that we've forgotten that food is supposed to taste good. You know, that the actual flavor of the food is better than the way that it looks in a photograph. I think we need to get back to that. But yeah, thank y'all for watching this little video right here. I'll try to be back in like another week or 2 or something like that with something different. And yeah, it feels really good making videos here again. I'll make them in the 16:9 format again. This one's vertical because I started out with the vertical. But yeah, thank y'all for sticking with me, and I will catch you on the next one. Ciao.